Hi everyone. Today we're talking about two key visual metrics in paint protection film, gloss and haze. These don't just affect how your car looks, they shape perceived value, especially in premium markets. Gloss level. High gloss means a smoother, more even surface that reflects light sharply. Your paint looks like it's just been freshly waxed. In premium Western markets, a gloss level of 90 GU or higher is often seen as standard for luxury vehicles. But too much gloss can reveal minor paint defects. So quality installation matters. Haze. Haze measures how much light is scattered on the surface. Haze level makes reflections look blurry, like you're seeing the paint through a light fog. Premium markets in North America and Europe often expect haze levels below 1% for a crisp, clear finish. In humid regions like Southeast Asia, haze control also affects visual performance in wet weather. Technology and process. Achieving high gloss with low haze depends on base film smoothness, coating flow level, and curing stability. For example, the Japanese market favors high polymer coatings for high gloss with low haze, while the Middle East prioritizes gloss retention under intense heat and sunlight. Market trends. In the global premium PPF market, we're seeing a shift from brightness onlys to a balance of shine and clarity. For B2B buyers, it's not just about numbers, it's about matching specs to market preferences and climate conditions. Conclusion. If your target market is luxury-focused urban areas, high gloss plus low haze is a must-have selling point. For sunny or humid regions, choose films that maintain gloss without increasing haze over time to stay competitive. Follow us for more insights on PPF performance and global market buying tips.